So when you look at the computer science program at UNE, we want our students to understand that coding is one of those foundational skill sets. And we think that UNE is just a wonderful place to be able to develop that skill set.
This isn't your parents' computer science program, nor is it your older siblings' program. We've put together a forward-looking program that combines essential elements of a classical CS training with modern elements and approaches, in particular AI.
There's also a way to think about computer science as informing any other discipline or any other area of inquiry.
We have students who are working in projects using computer science to work in neuroscience, marine science, business, and more. They're making really fantastic new things.
We're thinking about students that will have an opportunity to do work in conjunction with the programs that already make us distinct, where computer science students can work hand in hand with marine science students, or work hand in hand with health science students, or biology students in our pre-medical biology track.
We've got the pressure sensor right next.
Our students are both earnest and really, really smart. And I say earnest because they really care about the world.
Here at UNE, I absolutely feel like I get the chance to be a part of bigger picture projects.
Our students will be educated both in the classroom and out of the classroom in such a way that they will have the skills and the aptitudes that employers are looking for. So when our students graduate, they're going to be ready to hit the workforce. They're going to be ready for that career, and they're going to be ready to make a difference.